Well, with over 4,000 businesses in the solar industry, no wonder people find it difficult to choose who to buy a solar power system from. Hi, I'm John Grimes, the Chief Executive of the Smart Energy Council, which has been Australia's peak body for the solar industry since 1954.
And hi, I'm Warwick Johnston, and I'm the founder of SunWiz. So John, when there's so many solar companies out there, all claiming to be the best, who can you trust?
Well, for a long time, the Smart Energy Council has sought to identify and reward industry-leading people and companies.
And SunWiz has been identifying who the leading retailers of solar power systems are since 2009. So together, SunWiz and the Smart Energy Council have awarded some of the leading solar companies, one of whom is in front of you right now.
SunWiz has determined Fritts Solar is amongst the best rated businesses in the solar industry.
We've combined the information listed on all the leading customer review websites for every company in the solar industry. Now, half the businesses in the industry have 5-star ratings, but only from a handful of reviews. And that's not enough testimony to prove a company will reliably deliver an outstanding customer experience time and time again.
To be an award winner in the last year, you need to have received at least 50 reviews, distributed across multiple review sites, with an average rating higher than 4.8 stars.
Of those companies, the ones with exceptional ratings or the greatest number of reviews can earn additional accolades.
So we encourage you to consider buying from Fritts Solar. When it comes to customer satisfaction, they're head and shoulders above most others.